We get an up-close look at the largest animal in the world. The blue whale uses a blowhole at the surface to breathe oxygen from the air. It is estimated that there are less than 30,000 blue whale left in the ocean. In the time of 100 years, humans hunted about 3 to 10% of the entire population. Reports tell of witnesses seeing oceans with whales as far as the eyes can see. These amazing animals are in danger from pollution, overfishing, and climate change.